Welcome to Lifeolistic. In today's video, we're going to talk about the role of sleep in a holistic lifestyle. As we all agree that the quality of our sleep can affect our physical, mental, and emotional health, and an average adult needs between 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. However, according to the National Sleep Foundation, more than 30% of adults report that they get less than 6 hours of sleep per night. That's alarming. Getting enough sleep is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. It affects every aspect of our lives, from our mood to our immune system. In fact, sleep deprivation can lead to a range of health issues, including weight gain, high blood pressure, and even heart disease. And did you know that getting enough sleep is not enough for your body to function at its best? It's not just about how long you sleep, but also about the quality of your sleep that determines how rested and refreshed you feel the next day. So, how can we get better quality rest? Here are some tips to help you achieve quality sleep. Number 1, stick to a sleep schedule. One of the most important factors in getting quality sleep is maintaining a regular sleep schedule. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Number 2, create a bedtime routine. Establishing a relaxing routine before bedtime can help signal to your brain that it's time to sleep. This can include activities such as taking a warm bath, reading a book, or practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. Research has shown that a bedtime routine can help improve the overall quality of your sleep, reduce the time it takes to fall asleep, and decrease the likelihood of waking up during the night. Number 3, create a comfortable sleeping environment. Creating a comfortable sleeping environment is also important for getting quality sleep. Make sure your bedroom is dark, cool, and quiet. Consider investing in a comfortable mattress and pillows that support your body and help you maintain good posture throughout the night. Number 4, follow mindful consumption. The food we eat plays a significant role in the quality of our sleep. Consuming large, heavy meals close to bedtime can make it harder for the body to relax and can cause discomfort that disrupts sleep. It's recommended to have a light snack before bedtime if needed, but to avoid eating a large meal at least 2 to 3 hours before sleeping. Caffeine and alcohol can also disrupt sleep patterns, so it's best to avoid them before bedtime. Number 5, exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. Exercise can help reduce the time it takes to fall asleep and increase the overall quality of your sleep. However, it's important to avoid exercising too close to bedtime, as it can stimulate your body and make it difficult to fall asleep. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week for optimal benefits. In addition to the tips we've shared, there are some other things you can do to improve the quality of your sleep. Limit screen time. The blue light emitted by electronic devices can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, a hormone that plays an important role in regulating your sleep-wake cycle and is essential for quality sleep. It's best to avoid screens for at least an hour before bedtime. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness practices such as meditation and deep breathing can help calm your mind, and relax your body, making it easier to fall asleep. Consider natural sleep aids. If you're still struggling to get quality sleep, natural sleep aids like chamomile tea or lavender essential oil can help promote relaxation. There you go. By following these tips and creating a relaxing sleep environment, you can improve the overall quality of your sleep, reduce the likelihood of waking up during the night, and wake up feeling rested and refreshed each morning. Don't forget to prioritize sleep as part of your self-care routine for a healthy and fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and techniques for living a holistic lifestyle. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for tuning in to Lifeolistic. We'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.